Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export files in Evernote. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Evernote? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type evernote.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. In the website, fill through the on-screen prompt to sign in, logging in with an existing account, or to sign up by creating a new account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to export files in Evernote. From your home screen, head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple features: home, shortcuts, notes, tags, and down to trash. Go ahead and click on notes. And it's going to take you to all the notes that you have. Now, if you want to export your notes, or if you want to export these files from Evernote, here's what you should do. Now, before we get started, I'd like to let you in on a few things. If you're using the free version, like I am actually using now, you need to have 40 or more files before you can find the export feature. But if you're using the paid version of Evernote, you don't need to get to that amount. Just go ahead and highlight the files that you want to export, and you're going to find the export button. Now, I do not have up to 40 or even more than 40 files in this account, so we're not going to find the export feature. I'm just going to show you what you can do for you to get that if you have up to 40 or more files in your Evernote. So let's say this is the first note. So click on that and hold down the Control key. Click on the next one. Click on the next file. And click on the next file. And click on the next file. So I have 4 files here. Now right here we have this banner. Head over to this 3 dots menu where you have more actions. Click on that and it should take you to this extended menu. One of them you're going to find is the export option. So once you click on the export option, it's going to take you to the exports window. In there, you're going to be asked to select your export format and of course to save the name or to enter a new name for the file, for the export file that you're actually creating. Once you have saved the name, you go ahead and select the folder's location, and after that, go ahead and select the file format. It's recommended for you to use the Emacs format, which is the Evernote XML format. Now, once you click on that, you're going to see that your data is going to be exported into that format. So go ahead and check your systems folder and locate the file that you saved right there in your systems folder. Once you do that, you're going to get that file, and that's pretty much the process. Remember, once you have 40 or more files in your Evernote and using the free version, you should be able to see the export feature. If you're using the paid version, you should be able to see it at any time without conditions attached. This is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.